What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So Musa Mseleku and his wives and children, they went to a family vacation, and when they got there, whilst they were waiting for food, most people were on their phones. You see, so it actually became a problem in that this is a family trip for people to actually like connect together, talk together, and actually like know each other even more. But it turned out everybody was on their phones talking with people they had actually maybe left at home. So the purpose of the family trip was actually being defeated. That's when then Musa Mseleku then became like particularly angry at Makumalo, and I was sort of like calling her disrespectful for not valuing family time. So Musa Mseleku actually told Makumalo that straight to your face, and Makumalo explained, was like, I'm responding to work messages, you see. So Makumalo was emphasizing, the responsibilities of her work, and how essential her role is in her business. So Makumalo has to hustle, and make money. And if you also look when Musa Mseleku was sick and at the hospital, Makumalo actually helped, to pay the bills, to help Musa Mseleku to be taken care of whilst he was in hospital. But the challenge now it comes with Musa Mseleku himself. I remember on another episode, Macele was actually telling Musa Mseleku that you told me not to go to work because you don't want your wives to work, and you as the husband you have to provide everything. So Macele actually like obliged to Musa Mseleku's demands. So it turns out, if you analyze this, you see that Musa Mseleku is not happy with Makumalo working and making her own money. What Musa Mseleku probably wants is for her to be the breadwinner, for her to be the only one who is working, and the wives are just there to save him. But the challenge that is there now is that we are not living in the 19th century anymore. Women also want to work, they have to make their own money. So this is like a clash of desires, but it being a clash of desires, Musa Mseleku might be justified to some extent, because if we say let's go to a family trip, then everybody has to put their phones in their pockets. Then we chat and discuss, you see. Otherwise, what's the point of the family trip anyway? So tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.